Hi guys, and welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. If you're looking for a way to save time, money and stay on top of your WIPs, then the Caterpillar Club is for you. I'm Sally, the owner and designer here at Caterpillar Cross Stitch, and we have created the ultimate cross stitch subscription box for you. This is the Caterpillar Club, and we are now currently on the 12th box. We've been going since the start of 2021, and we ship these gorgeous cross stitch boxes jam-packed full of delightful, uplifting goodies worldwide. So we've developed the Caterpillar Club subscription box, and these are perfect for anyone who loves cross stitch, but in particular if you are a complete beginner. All of the kits come with 14 count Aida by Zweigart, which is the best brand in my opinion, and it's the easiest type of fabric to stitch on. So it comes with absolutely everything you need, full step-by-step illustrated instructions, a beautiful beginner-friendly pattern, so there's no fractional stitches, back stitching, French knots, anything like that, just full stitches only. You have lovely fabric, a DMC needle, DMC threads pre-sorted onto a Carlos the Caterpillar thread holder, and then 3 or 4 sometimes extra goodies that fit in with the theme too. These subscriptions come with the element of surprise, so if you don't want to know what the design is going to be for that particular month, if you don't want to know what the theme is, then you don't need to find out. So you can have a complete surprise when these little boxes of joy land on your doorstep. If you do want to find out in advance, if you're a bit like me and you can't wait, then we have all of the details over on our blog so that you can see in advance what the theme is, the cross-stitch project itself, and which goodies are included. It's such an exciting, joyful experience, and it's like a little gift just for yourself. The Caterpillar Club really just gives you a little bit of time just for yourself. So with beginner-friendly projects like these, designed by our guest designer Emma Congdon of Stitchrovia, these were from box 2 and box 9, you've got some time out away from devices, just a little bit of me time for some peace, quiet and crafting. Every other month we release a new Caterpillar Club box, and they're always themed around designs that you guys are going to absolutely love. Like this one, which is the Hocus Pocus box 8. Now this was designed by Autumn Lane Stitchery, or this Winter Wolf, which was designed by Emily Peacock, and this was our box 10 design. Every other month we deliver directly to you a brand new project, so you can discover some amazing artists, illustrators, and of course traditional cross-stitch designers from all over the globe. We have some of the best designers in the industry creating patterns for you, and we will then work around that theme and include 3 or 4 additional items in that box for you as well. So these will be, one, related to the theme, but also really useful, valuable items that you can either use to finish off your project in some way, like pom-poms or ribbons, or things related to cross-stitch or stitching or sewing more generally, like thread conditioner or miniature wooden hoops, a larger hoop to stitch with, needle minders, scissors, or other stitching accessories like bobbins or thread holders. The boxes are fantastic value because if you were to buy the items individually, they would cost significantly more than the box itself, which is just £25 per box, delivered directly to you with free UK shipping every other month. We ship the boxes worldwide, and the shipping costs are very competitive for our international customers. The Caterpillar Club cross-stitch box is a fantastic gift idea, either for yourself if you want to send the link to someone else as a gift idea for you, or for you to buy for a crafty friend or family member. It's got everything you need inside to create beautiful projects like these around really cute themes like penguins and the great outdoors. This was by Pigeon Coop over in Canada. If you're already a part of our community here on YouTube, or if you are following us on Facebook or on Instagram, we often have polls and discussions in there about different themes that you guys would love to stitch and can't find elsewhere. So we try and hit the nail on the head every other month with the most beautiful, bright, modern creations for you, like this Lighthouse theme Shine Bright by Tiny Modernist. If you're wondering, how do I sign up for this? Then please do click the link down in the description box. And if it's your first trial box, then you can grab 15% off by using the code 15box12. So at the current time, you can grab the gorgeous Perfect Posy box by Barbara Anna. Here is the gorgeous design for that. So it features a cat down here with all of these beautiful blooms for 15% off your first trial box. And you will receive this in the post, jam-packed full of absolutely beautiful uplifting goodies around the same theme. And some of them might even be delicious and edible too. The clear colour pattern comes professionally printed on a page of A4 paper, so you've got that printed ready to start, and there'll also be a DMC needle in there as well, and a thread holder. There's no pressure at all to keep up with the boxes every other month, and if you are feeling a little overwhelmed, then you can absolutely pause or skip a box at any time. So you're in complete control of when you receive the boxes, and perhaps you have quite a few in your stash already, or you might prefer to skip a particular design. That's absolutely no problem at all. You are completely in charge of your own Caterpillar Club. Just stitch at your own pace, connect with others, make friends, and get support in our Facebook group, or by contacting us at any time by email, which I will put in the description box below. Enjoy the flexibility with the Caterpillar Club as well. If you choose to sign up for the whole year in advance and receive 6 boxes, then you will also get a special discount on there. And if you're on our bi-monthly subscription, there's no need to order every single time. It's just a rolling subscription, so it will automatically turn up at your door with a brand new beautiful box for you to enjoy. Equally, if you want to cancel, pause or skip at any time, you can easily do that yourself by logging into your account, or you can contact us and we'll do it for you, either by email or over the phone. We thoroughly enjoy creating these cross-stitch boxes for you guys, and it's been really exciting to see the Caterpillar Club grow so much over the last 2 years. We're really grateful for all of your amazing feedback, and we now have hundreds of 5-star reviews absolutely raving about the designs, the quality, and the support that you'll receive when you subscribe with us. So please do consider signing up today by tapping on the link down below in the description box to subscribe to either a bi-monthly subscription or an annual subscription to secure the next 6 boxes just for you. And if you are subscribing at the current time, then please use the code 15box12 for 15% off your first trial box. I know you're going to love it. And if you're watching this here on YouTube, type us into the search bar as well, and you might be able to see some other floss tubers that you enjoy watching doing unboxing and review videos of their Caterpillar Club too. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.